The only way to reach your full potential is to help others do the same. We understand the whole analogy that if you take a glass of water and you fill it up with water and it's filled to the top, what do? You can't put any more in, so you pour into another cup and another cup and another cup. And that's essentially what coaching is. You're taking all this experience and wisdom and helping other people with it. And that's why I love the profession of coaching. Being a coach for over 20 years now, it's been the greatest fulfillment of my life to make a great living helping others. And that's why I love getting people into the coaching field. I'm a bit biased, of course, but I truly feel there's very few professions that give you the level of fulfillment of serving others and making a great living, and at the same time living on your own terms. And that is why I actually created my own online coaching certification, taking my 20 years of knowledge, personally coaching, close to 1,000 people in different industries and learning the ins and outs of all the processes, right? So in the certification, you become certified as an official online coach, but also give you the tools, the questionnaires, the liability forms, the contracts, how to attract clients, how to sell coaching in a very efficient, non-douchey way, and also how to serve, how to develop a practice where you're actually helping people, but you're not burning yourself out. So if this is something that you're interested in, or someone in your life who's amazing at serving and helping people, then if you click on the link in the comments, you could get the certification. I'm actually doing a sale. It's almost 70% off just for you. So this is a great gift to give someone or yourself if you want to make a side business, coaching people, learning the ins and outs, obviously not getting put in jail or getting sued from the liability point of view, but also how to coach in terms of like what questions to ask, how to set up payments, how to set up the fulfillment, all that good stuff. So again, if you want to serve people and really fill others' cups up, then click on the link in the comments. I would love to have you part of this certification process and personally help you become a world-class coach. Plus you get 70% off. You can't beat that. So my greatest thing is to help more coaches, help more people. That's the amazing echo effect, right? If one coach could help, let's say 1,000 people, and I help one coach become certified, that's thousands of more people in my backlog, right? So check it out or pass it along to someone who wants to serve people and make a great living. And I would love to have you a part of it. And really, nothing makes me happier than to see someone else's life change and seeing someone learning how to transform others' lives at the highest level.